Now I'm recording. Because I didn't want to record all the chaos. Okay. Exercise 1, A up until H. Anyone still copying? Or any questions there? Then you put up your hand. Good. Okay. I up until P. Yes. Are you still busy? I'm skipping through everything now, so hold on. I up until P. Hands up who's still copying or has got any questions. Right. Q up until T. That was you. Which one? S. Okay, so at S, all I had to do is this minus 3. I wanted to take to the other side.
I saw minus 2 and minus 3 and I removed the minus 2.
So then you got a minus 1 as an answer. Okay, yeah. All right, so any other questions here? Hands up, you're still copying? Good. Okay, there's D up until K. Did everyone mark those? Hands up who's still copying? Okay. So now we're all on the right page. You done?
Same page.
Same page, yes. Okay. Any questions here? Can I skip? Right, there's L up until S. Remember what I said about these fractions? Yes, that answer is also minus 1.5, but you can leave it as an improper fraction. Okay.
And we can also write 1.5.
M. No, M was 2 over 3. So that stays 2 over 3.
Alright, 1.5.
No. Remember, what we're actually doing here is that 6x is equal to 4. I want to get rid of the 6, so I divide both sides by 6. So I'm going to get x is equal to 4 over 6, but that's simplified. Gives me the 2 over 3. Right, any other questions up until... Yes. Shh. So you said minus 1,5. Yeah, it's still correct, but it's not necessary. You can leave it as an improper fraction. Okay. Right. Okay. Was your hand up or you just...
Now I'm just copying. I'll talk it around. Never mind.
You fine. Okay. Can I skip? Okay, okay.
Maybe because I accidentally stopped the...
What is L in decimal form?
Oh, minus 1.5. Oh.
Oh,
Do you want a hand out? Please? No?
I can't think if I wrote this down right.
Can I skip?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there's T up until V, and then exercise 3A, B, C,
I
and
have
D.
no idea what I did because we're recording, eh?
Minus. Don't have an equal and an equal again. Just one
Yeah, I
equal,
realized
like you
that.
have your equal, no? So minus 3P. Oh, you know what you did? Oh, you took no clear pen.
You can use my pen, ma'am. It's fine.
Okay, so you keeping it minus 3P.
Yes, ma'am.
No. You wrote that in now, no? So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
took this to that side. So it becomes
positive.
positive 3. Yes. Then the 2 was on that side, so it's positive. The 32 goes over and becomes minus 50. Good. So then 3P,
It looks
that's
like a
wrong.
3P.
Yeah, but this is wrong. 2 minus 32 is going to give me minus
30.
30.
Actually, now.
Yeah, okay.
I added it instead of...
Yes.
That.
Okay. Okay, I'm quickly skipping back. Tell me when you're done. Are you good? Okay, right. Grade 8s, you boys at the back, come on. Any questions at T, U, or V? None. Okay, exercise 3. Oh, yes, sorry, Malcolm. Sorry? Okay, then exercise 3, yours? Are you good? Okay. Exercise 3, have a look at A up until D. Any questions there? Can I skip? Right. It's almost break. Ja. Wie ook so lekker. Wie ook so lekker. Het jy 'n nartjie gesteel? Take a sip.
Ma'am, you know, apparently what helps is if you drink water upside down.
Ja, onderste bo, ja.
Or you hold your breath. That doesn't work for me, but
What do you mean upside down?
like
Staan onderste bo.
I used to. I tried. I put the water in my mouth and do a handstand and I tried to swallow it. It actually helped though, but it was.
Okay, laat ek hoor. Any questions? A up until D. Can I skip? Right. Do you have a question? Not. Okay. There we go. Oops. There's E up until J. Please remember unknowns to the left, normal numbers to the right. Then we simplify and get rid of coefficient.
and my J's answer was 1, and then I wanted
I got something. My answer was also 1.
Just check if if your question is the same as mine.
7 minus y equals 2y plus 8.
Okay. Okay, so let's go through y together. The minus y is already on the left, so it's going to stay minus y. Then the 2y, I'm going to move over, so it becomes minus 2y. Then the normal numbers must be on the right, so the 8 was already on the right, so it stays 8. The 7, I'm going to move over, so it becomes minus 7. Okay? Then minus 1y minus another 2y will give me minus 3y. And 8 minus 7 gives me 1. Now I've got to get rid of that minus 3. So I divide both sides by minus 3. And that's how I get y is equal to minus 1 over 3. Yes.
You say minus 1 over 3 or 1 over minus 3?
It doesn't matter. Same thing. 1 over minus 3 is the same as minus a third. Okay. Right. Any other questions here? Yeah.
Is it because I left the plus 4 on that side in the beginning instead of taking it over?
What did you do? You didn't take this over.
Not yet.
Hey. What did you do?
Yes, I kept it there.
And then what did you do?
And then after that, I just got the X plus 4.
But how can you get the X if this was still hanging there?
It's still on that side.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Can I skip? Do you know where you went wrong? Huh? Okay. That's fine. Okay, I'm waiting. Shh, 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 shh.
Someone else will watch.
Anyone else? Oh. You done?
It's so cold.
It is cold now. It's not plugged in.
Is the first answer here minus 6?
I don't know, I haven't.
X equals minus 6.
Minus 7 is minus 18, yes. Okay, right. Anyone else still copying? Good. Here we go. K up until P. I'm not going through every single one of them. You guys must ask if you went wrong somewhere. I'm assuming you all did this because it was homework. Yeah.
I don't know what I did here. My K answer was minus 12.
K.
Yes, ma'am.
But you probably said,
17 plus 2n. I keep forgetting the minus in front of the n.
That's why.
And then I get.
Ja. Want die is te veel mense wat gesels hier agter. By T minus 4.5. Must I come sit back here with you guys? Huh? Want julle bly gesels. Ja. Minus?
Minus 4.54 T.
Yes?
Oh, I didn't put the minus.
It must be minus 4.5. Right. Can I skip? Nou wil ek sien wie raak so blerre wil hier agter. Okay, there's Q, R, and S and T. Any questions there? Yeah? Back. Like that. Okay, sorry people, I'm going back just now. Tell me when you're done. Oh, Allah, lift up your arm. And lift that page. That's exercise what? And we're busy marking exercise. Did you do 3 and 4? Hoekom nie? People, you're not getting an entry, but put up your hand if you didn't do exercise 3 and 4. Be honest, put up your hand. The full one. The full exercise 3 and 4. Even if you just left out 4 or just left out 3.
No, I did 3. I left out like 2 questions. I did not calculate on.
Okay, put your hands down.
I did the old exercise, but I forgot my book in my extra class.
The thing is, all of you that put up your hand will have some or other excuse. Maar dit maak dit nie reg nie, né?
I just didn't do 1 or 2 because I didn't know the answer.
But,
I couldn't get to the answer.
but then, right in the beginning of the year, I told you guys, if that happens, you've got to do it in pencil. I've got to see that you tried. I've got to see where you went wrong. If you give me a blank, it's nothing. So what's the difference between your blank, you really tried on a different piece of paper, and my blank, I just decided, stuff math, I'm not going to do it. What's the difference between the two blanks? Nothing. Because there's still nothing. Right? You've got to show me that you tried. Right, can I skip? There's Q up until T. Okay, now at exercise 4, we're starting to get brackets in as well. Now, what do we do whenever we get brackets? We've got to go and multiply n. Now, you'll see that I showed you how you're going to get your marks in the test. So, by saying this, I am obviously telling you, you are going to get brackets in the test. So, make sure you know what to do with them. Okay? Otherwise, you're going to lose lots of marks. So, what we had to do here is the 2 must be multiplied in with an x and with a 1. So 2 times x gave me the 2x, and 2 times 1 gave me the 2. You'll see that that is your first mark. Sorry. That's your first mark. Okay, so just for multiplying in, you get a mark already. Then I move that plus 2 to the other side, and that then becomes minus 2. You don't get a mark for writing out that step. That's why I'm saying if you are comfortable with it, you can skip that step. The step that you are going to get your mark for is 2x is equal to 4. Because by getting the 4, I knew that you took the 2 over and you subtracted it. Okay? And then I've got to get rid of this coefficient. So how do I do that? I divide both sides by 2. And that's how I get x is equal to 2. Okay. Any questions here? Can I skip? Yeah. Yeah? What did you do? Did you say 6 divided by 2? And then you got x plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, and then you took the plus 1 over and it became minus 1. That's correct, yes. That is going to work in this one, but later on in the exercise when I've got lots of brackets, then that's not going to work. Okay. Right. Hands up if I can't skip. Right. There's B, C, D, and E. So remember, every time you see brackets, I'm first got to go and multiply them in. Yes. Right. Any questions at B up until E? Kyk hoe skryf ons, want hier's niks. Ek lag nie. Any questions? Can I skip? In the test, rather write the fraction, please. Okay. Because I know you can work it out with your calculator. It won't be wrong if you write it as a decimal, but rather stick to the improper fractions. Okay, yeah. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. Yeah? No. Like just now we had 2 over 3, which is not improper. So, but I mean, leave it as a fraction. No, not always. No. Yes? Oh, you wrote down the wrong ones.
Yeah.
Okay, can I skip? Okay, there's F until K. Quickly mark. So now you will see at G, we've got 2 brackets. So yeah, we have to use the method of multiplying in those brackets. Okay. Are you just writing down answers? You must write down all the steps because you actually get marks for them. Yes.
I wrote x minus 1 in the brackets.
At J. Huh? So you had 4 bracket x plus 1.
X minus 1.
Was this a minus 1? Oh, well. Okay, so let me just change that one then. Sorry, if this is a minus, then that will also become a minus. Let me just double check everything. Minus, so you will have plus, and then that's going to become so then this is going to become minus 2, so x is 1. Is that what you guys got? Good. Thank you. My mistake. Okay. Any questions here? Okay, I'm going to skip to the next page. I just want to mark the next one because then you in the Afrikaans class got to the same point. So the video will start at the same place then tomorrow. Can I skip? Okay, only that one. L. I'll do the rest on the video. Okay. Okay. Any questions at L?